Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Signal Desktop on your Mac, step by step. Signal is a secure messaging app that allows you to send messages and make voice and video calls with end-to-end encryption, keeping your conversations private. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to signal.org/download. I'll also leave the direct link in the description below. Once the page loads, scroll down to the desktop section. Under macOS, click Download for Mac. When prompted, save the installer file to your Downloads folder. The download will begin automatically and may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Signal installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Signal app into the Applications folder. This installs Signal on your Mac. Once the copying process is complete, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open the Applications folder and double-click Signal to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. When Signal opens for the first time, you'll need to link it to your phone. On your phone, open the Signal app, go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and tap Link New Device. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your Mac screen. After linking, your messages will sync automatically. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Signal Desktop on your Mac. You're now ready to send secure messages and make calls directly from your Mac. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.